apologies for the delay in our departure, which was around 10 minutes from Islamabad, which was due to some official constraints. Anyway, something about the northern areas of Pakistan. The 14 peaks in this world, ladies and gentlemen, which are about 5,000 meters, 8,000 meters, out of which 5 are in Pakistan, starting from K2, 8,611 meters, Islamabad 8,126 meters, Asia from 1, K5 at 8,080 meters, Rock Peak 8,051, and Asia from 2, K4 at 8,025. If we talk about peaks which are above 7,000 meters, we have in Pakistan 108 peaks above 7,000 meters, and above 6,000 meters we have 4,525 peaks. Skardu, and we are going to cover this distance at an altitude of 27,500 feet. At this altitude right now, our average ground speed is around 800 kilometers per hour. The speed and barring any delays from air traffic control, we expect to land at Skardu 5 minutes past 7 Pakistan Standard Time. All these 5 peaks, the peaks which are above 8,000 meters, we normally see them on this route, but highest peak of the Hindukush mountain range. Now this Hindukush mountain range starts right in front of us, where where the borders of China, Pakistan and Afghanistan meet at Wakchi Pass, and it extends 800 kilometers towards the west. Now this peak towards your left, Frenchmead, the highest peak you can see on your left, is the highest peak of the Hindukush mountain range, 25,289 feet high, 30th highest in the world and 13th highest in Pakistan. Now Trench means darkness, Mead means king, so king of darkness is what the locals call it. There is a village right at the base of this mountain. It sees very little sunlight because of the mountain, so the name Trench. The mountain just next to it, slightly right of Frenchmead, which is quite broad. The summit is quite broad. That's Noshan, 52nd highest peak in the world. Now the town of Chitral is right on the southern edge of Frenchmead. Now this name Hindukush, this mountain range Hindukush, this name is a very peculiar name. It means in English it would translate to Hindukila. Ibn Battuta, a very famous traveler from Morocco, has written in his books that the old days when this route was being used by for trade, military and other purposes, many Hindus perished while crossing this mountain range, so the name Hindukush was given to this mountain range. Now this mountain range has a lot of history as well. Many people have crossed this mountain range to come into the subcontinent, starting from Alexander the Great in 1020 BC. Then Genghis Khan also crossed this mountain range to come into the subcontinent. And even when the Mongols they came from the Central Asian states, they chose the Hindukush mountain range. Side, slightly ahead of the aircraft, that highest peak, which is sort of hidden in the clouds. That's Rakaposh, 27th highest peak in the world, 12th highest peak in Pakistan, 25,551 feet from sea level. The locals call it Domani, which actually means mother of clouds. Just look at her today, all covered in clouds. She actually looks like mother of clouds today. And the significance of this mountain is that from base camp till the summit there is a distance of 5,000 meters. Contrast to all the highest mountains in the world, which have less than 5,000 meters from base camp to us. The right is Himalaya. Shortly will be entering the Karakuram mountain range. 1,660 feet from sea. Mighty Nanga Parbat. That's correct. Now, Nanga Parbat, this word comes from Sanskrit and it is made up of two words, Nanga and Parvata, which actually translates to mountain. Now, the side of Nanga Parbat, which you can see, is Russia's plant. And the significance of this plant is that from Indus River, which is far depth, you can't see it because of the cloud. The summit, there's a distance of about 25 kilometers. It's about 3,000 feet. And this distance, which makes it one of the highest cities. This river towards your left side, this is Indus River. This is actually the place on your left side, which is the meeting place of all these three mountain ranges. Unfortunately, now this is official, you can't see K2.P and from 1 to where is the second one is Sarparanga, which is in Shigara. It's a beautiful sight actually. You will see a river flowing right through the heart of the desert and with high mountains covered with snow all around. Okay, that would be all from my side today. I hope that you've enjoyed this flight with us. Thank you very much for your attention. Enjoy.